Welcome to our channel Anil Max World. So, what is the Anil Max World? సో చాలా డేస్ అయిపోయిందండి వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేసి. సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి రెగ్యులర్గా వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి 100% ట్రై చేస్తా అండి. సో ఫస్ట్ మీ సపోర్ట్ అనేది నాకు కావాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఎవరైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సో ఈ రోజు వచ్చేసి మనం స్క్వేర్స్, హౌ టు ఫైండ్ స్క్వేర్స్, ఈజీ వే టు ఫైండ్. సో మెనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఆప్టిట్యూడ్లో ఈ స్క్వేర్స్ అనేవి చాలా అంటే చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సో మోర్ మెథడ్స్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఈజీ వే. సో అదనేది ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్. సో ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ 20. Multiply 20. So you have to multiply 20, you will get easy way to answer. For example, 42 whole square. 42 whole square. So 42 whole square is 4 square 16. 2 square is 4. 4 is right in 0 4. So next 4 2s are 8. 8 multiply with 20. So you will get 160. Add these two. 1604 and 160. You will get 1764. This is the answer. So easy way. If in case another way method. So for example, another example 79 whole square. 7 square 49. 8 square is 81. So 7 into 9. 7 into 9 is 63. 63 into 20. So 6 1260. So add these two. So 1 4 12 5 5 2 4 1. This is the answer. This is multiplication of 20. You have to find perfect squares. So another method is a plus b whole square method. A plus b whole square method. What is that? A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square. So this is the method. You have to write only this way. If in case you have to write this one also correct, but you have to write only this way. So first, one of the example is there 35 whole square. What is 35 whole square? We don't know. So first 35 divided into two parts like this. This is A, this is B. So we have to substitute in this. So 3 square. So 2 into A is 3, B is 5 plus 5 square. So 2 square is 9, 6 and 30, 25. So write this in this way, 5 first. Next this 2 is added to 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. This 9, 3 is added to 9, that is 12. 1225 is the answer. This is a plus b whole square method. If in case 89 whole square. 89 whole square. So first of all 8 square is 64. 2 into 8, 16, 69 is 144 plus 81. So this first one is there. This is 8 is added to 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 plus 12, 15. 15 plus this is 79. So 1729 is the answer. Easy way. If in case these two are two digits, if in case 3 digits, 112 whole square. So this 112 divide into this way or this way. Your wish. You have to take anything. You will get same answer. First 112 divide like this. First 11 square. So 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. So next 2 into 11 into 2. 22, 22 and 44. So next 2 square is 0, 4. So 4, 4. This 4 is added to 121. So 125, 125, 44. You have to practice more questions. You will get easy way. So you have to take only 30 to 40 seconds only for each question. So if in case in my point of view I will do one question is there. So what is the question? So your wish. You have to take anything. You have to get easy way to answer. So for example 47 whole square. 47 whole square 5 16 8 56 49 9 10 0 6 42 22 0 4. You have to take only hardly 20 seconds only. So time management is very important for bank exams and SSC Staff Selection Commission and more than JEE mains and mains level also. You have to easy way to calculate. This is the easy way method. So next one more method is there, that is near 50. Near 50. So near 50 you have two types. One is above 50, another one is below. How to find above 50? So above 50, one of the formula is there, 25 plus a square, 25 minus a. So what is a? So how to find that? First above 50. You have to take any number above 50. For example, 57 whole square. So how much is above? 7 is above, right? 50 plus 7, 57. 7 is above. So that's why a is equal to 7. So 25 plus 7 and 7 square. 25 plus 7, 32. 7 square, 49. 32, 49 is the answer. Easy way. This is above 50. If in case you have to take another example, 62 whole square. So how much is above? 12 is above, right? So 25 plus 12, 12 square. 25 plus 12 is 37. 12 square is 144. So we have to take 44. This one is added to this one, 38. 38, 44 is the answer. So this is very easy. So this is above 50. In case below 50. So for example, 47 whole square. So how much is below? 3 is below. Then a is equal to 3. So 25 minus 3 slash 3 square. 25 minus 3 is 22. 3 square is 0.9. This is very easy to find this way method. For example, 35 whole square. How much is below? 15 is below. 22 minus 25 minus 15 is 25 minus 15. 15 how much? 10. So then 15 square is 225. So 25, this 2 is added to 10, 25 is the answer. So this is very easy to find near 50. In case here, near 100, near 100, near 100, 200, 300, so 400, 500, anything is there. So I will explain in this way. So this is x plus a square is above, x minus a square is below. So for example, first 100. So above 100, for example, 107 whole square. So what is x? X means whatever the number you have to find, that is x. So in this 107 is the x. 107 is the x. So first, how much is above? 7 is above. 107 plus 7 slash 7 square. 107 plus 7, 140. 114. 7 square is 49. What is the answer? 114. 49 is the answer. If in case you have to, in this time, three numbers is there, you have to write two numbers, one number is added to this number. For example, 1112 whole square. 1112 whole square. How much is above? 12 is above. So 124. Yeah, 112 plus 12. 124, then 12 square. 124. 12 square is 144. So 4, 4 you have to write. 1 is added to this number, 125. This is above 100. If in case below 100, how to write below 100? So for example, 97 whole square. How much is below? 3 is below. So 97 minus 3 and 3 square. 97 minus 3 is 94. 3 square is 0.9. This is the answer. In case 89 whole square. How much is below? 11 is below. 89 minus 11, 78. 78, 11 square is 121. 21, this is added to this 9. 79, 21. If in case near 200, 300, so all are same. For example, 202 whole square. How much is above? 2 is above. 202 plus 2 and 2 square. 202, 204 plus 2 is 04. This is 200. If in case 100, you have to multiply with 1. So you have to no change. If in case 200, you have to this only this number multiply with 2. So 804 and 04 is the answer. 408, 04 is the answer. So if in case 197 whole square, how much is less? 3 is less. 197 minus 3, 194. How much is less? 3 is less. That's why 3 square. So this is multiply with 2, 8, 8, 2, 3, and 3 square is 0.9. 38, 809. This is the answer. This is above. If in case 300 is there, multiply with 3. 400, 4, 500, 5, 6, 7. So must you have to learn 1 to 30 squares. So 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 9, 16, 25, like this. You have to must multiply, you have to learn up to 1 to 30. So next one is, so what is that next? Next one is unit place 5. What is unit place 5? In case 25 square, we know everything. So 625. How to get 625? Easy way to multiply 25 square. So 5 square is 25. 2 next number is 3. 2 3s are 6. 625 is the answer. In case 45 square, 45 square, 5 square is 25. 4 next number is 5. 5 4s are 20. This is the answer. In case 115 whole square, so 1 5 25 square is 5 square is 25, 12, 11 2 is 132, 132 to 5. This is the easy way to multiply 65 square. So we know the method, then try direct to 42 25 4. 5 square 25, 6 next number is 7, 6 7 is 42. Easy way to multiply and get the answer. So this is the method we have to find. So two squares of the any number. Okay, you have to practice more questions, you will get easy way to. So each question is mainly 20 seconds. You will get 20 seconds, you will get answer. So time management is very important for future studies. So that's why these methods are very useful to you. So practice yourself and share and subscribe to your channel and not our channel. This is your channel. Please support me and థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో రెగ్యులర్గా ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ అనేది అప్లోడ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. సో మెయిన్లీ హార్డ్లీ వీక్లీ ఒక 3 వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం. ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.